Most Volkswagen owners don't even know this service exists, and ignoring it could cost thousands of gearbox repairs. Today we are servicing the DSG transmission on this 2016 Volkswagen Golf, and no, we are not touching the mechatronic oil. This is the gearbox oil that lubricates the gears, shaft and differential. The vehicle we are working on is equipped with Volkswagen DSG transmission. Over time, the gearbox oil can become contaminated with wear particles, reducing lubrication and increasing internal wear. Regular oil replacement helps protect the gears and differential, improving long-term reliability. So this is where that the breather is. That's where I used to fill the oil. As you can see the video, you all need is a syringe and 12mm tube. So you need to, as you saw, locate the gearbox drain plug and drain the oil. Do not touch the mechatronic oil unless you are replacing it, because it's a special oil. So once you drain it, tight the plug and clean it, and use it hose and the syringe as I'm doing now to fill the oil. I am using Penrite 70W75 gear oil because this is where the differential and gears are. So reminder again, this is not mechatronic oil circuit. We are only servicing the transmission gear section. So fill the gearbox with the specified amount and oil grade recommended by Volkswagen. So either you can use the genuine fluid, genuine oil, or aftermarket compatible. So measure the amount what came out with. Usually the manufacturer specified it's 1.7 liters, but it doesn't take that much. It takes about 1.3 liters of gear oil. Because if you fill 1.7, it's going to spill up from the breather. So that means too much. And that's it. A simple service that helps extend of the life of your DSG gearbox and save you from expensive repairs down the track. And that's it. A simple service will help you to prolong off the gearbox. So if you and DSG gearbox and save you from expensive repairs down the track, if this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what vehicle you would like to see next.